from the Cyber Threat Intelligence SIG update reports for 2023 to 2024. The SIG is coached by Krasim Setadov from the Purdue University of the United States and myself, Hendrik Adrian from Laser, like Tokyo Chairman. On behalf of the CTI 6 chairs, I presented this report. So for overview, the site is still in the underpass of the global SIG CTI established in the February 2018, with currently having 165 registered member with around 30 active member right now. The meeting is every second Wednesday with 10 to 20 members per meetings, and the goals is same as previous year, which you can see in the slides. To create educational and training material for CTI, to prepare the new CTI analysts and propose standard terminology across the CTI industry, provide briefing and training on contemporary and emerging CTI topics, which is quite one of our routine, and help new teams to establish CTI program from scratch. So philosophy is the same, and we are still focusing to the quality over quantity, and we're not trying to gain a large number of the members, but want to make sure that people who join are interested in the more participations. The 6 outputs are CTI curriculums, events, and trainings or workshops, with a description that you can see in the slide right now. And activities for the 2003 to 2004 are, we release 1 new versions of the curriculum. You can see in the next slide. And then we release materials on how to set up the CTI team and supporting collateral for member to use. And we supported first CTI events and increased number of presentations during the meetings, with encouraging more members in sharing and contribution. And recently, realignment to task assignment and increased the cadence for members. So recent achievements, project and goals this is one of the achievement is CTI curriculum version 3.5 is released that contains priority intelligence requirement, or PIR, more examples of the threat modelings and CTI tool setup reference, and lastly, plan to reorganize and restructure the curriculum content. Then building the new CTI team is supported with CTI starter kit slide for business and technical stakeholders, and also the threat intelligence program maturity phases. So chapter 5 is about the overall plans for the next year, which are scaling up and developing the CTI curriculum into better structure, more contents, and additional white papers. Increasing presentation and training that can be seen in the directory shown in the screen, or you can see it in the QR code in the screen right now. And the translation for curriculums to other languages we pick at this moment is Japanese, Spain, and France. Then the curriculum development for plan for 2004 are restructuring the curriculum itself and adding the chapter of the request for information, or RFI chapter, in the CTI process, and adding chapter of the communicating uncertainties in CTI reports. Then we try to set our focus this year on the collection methods and best practice, exploitations of digital media and GIS system, and then we increase more focus for the mobile analysis itself. And for the CTI team maturity phases, we will expand the more definition that and developing the CTI. This is a very interesting one, tabletop exercises programs. And of course, we will try to develop more recommendations on doing the CTI best practice. Then we start to release our curriculum development cycle, which is members to present idea and proposal, and to share the documents with the proposal to review, and to discuss, develop shared documents, and publish it to the wiki, and we can translate afterwards. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rick. And next up is Tom. We have the updates for the TLP SIG.